Hello and welcome, I'm Micah, the cosplayer seamstress. Today we're going to be making the accessories for the Wendy's logo cosplay. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The only accessory I will be making are the hair ribbons. I will start with this beautiful ribbon I got from Hobby Lobby for $4 and measure out two 2-foot long strips. Then I will tie the ribbons into bows, cutting the edges at an angle. Then I will hot glue these onto these hair clips, which I got at Hobby Lobby for $2 for the Miss Frizzle cosplay. There are two other accessories I will be wearing. First are these shoes that I got from Hobby Lobby for $6. The second is a brooch, which is a family heirloom. Congratulations, you now have all of the accessories for the Wendy's cosplay. Here's what they look like with the dress. If you would like to see how I made the dress, check out the Wendy's playlist on my channel. If you would like to see how I style the hair, check out the video coming in a month. Now that you have the accessories, you are ready for the hairstyle. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next project!